Hey, it's Dr. Will here, and let's talk today about symptoms of low testosterone. We treat a lot of male hormone dysfunction here at the clinic, and how do you know if you even have that? Well, here are some signs that you should be aware of. Fatigue, and not just talking like you're tired at the end of the day. You are just dragging butt out there despite good diet habits, despite good exercise habits. So fatigue is a biggie. Often that shows up as a loss of mojo. And what do I mean by that? Your sex drive starts to decline. And believe it or not, that sex drive can kind of drive the rest of your mood. We see a lot of guys in clinic who have depression or irritability, and if they don't think they have it, their partners come in and they tell us that yes, he's depressed, yes, he's irritable. And that's when we want to test testosterone and see where those levels are at. The other thing that we see in a lot of guys that they've stopped getting gains at the gym. We're talking about just regular guys who work out on a regular basis, and all of a sudden, despite their best efforts, their muscle mass kind of plateaus. They start to see a little pooch around the waist, like a spare tire that won't go away, what a lot of people call a dad bod, and you're a little shorter up top and a little bit rounder down below. And those are signs of low testosterone. You're holding on to estrogens and they're not releasing, and the body is holding on to fat. So that's another good sign of low testosterone. So what do you do about it? Well, number one, you can come in and get tested. We work with a lot of labs at Chambers Clinic, and we have a draw station in-house. You can get tested. We can go over it together and see if you'd be a candidate for hormone replacement therapy. But there's also things you can do on your own. Hard exercise tends to boost testosterone about 100 to 200 points. Now, if you're somebody who's sitting around a lot, who's very sedentary, or is working a lot, well, maybe the place to start is the gym. But if you lack the motivation to do that, if you're not getting into the gym, then maybe you do need a little boost of testosterone to get you there. As far as the symptoms of low testosterone, things to look out for: depression, irritability, fatigue, and kind of these stalled losses at the gym, and a little bit of a lack of mojo when it comes to the sex drive. I hope this has been helpful. And again, we offer free 15-minute consultations if you ever need to talk about this in more detail.